I reviewed the entire project of JICA from Shillong-Dawki, and we also discussed, because there is PIL against the progress work of the Shillong-Dawki road. The Meghalaya discussed Lut Mano Shillong, Hakaba package 1, then the package 4, package 5, Kinianya ka retendering process. Nakaliang job na NHIDCL. Again, we discussed about the landslide prone area, where we identified few deplorable one. How to take care of this coming monsoon, because it's so dangerous. So we already discussed all the details. Then the technical people from NHIDCL, they will prepare the plan, the action plan, how to go about it, and how to also make sure that the dedicated team for any emergency work, it has to be there 24/7. This is what we discussed today.
What about action against the contractor?
Sorry?
In that incident, action against the contractor?
Well, I was informed by the NHIDCL that this, it seems cancellation has already done against this ARSS due to the poor progress of work. So the head office of NHIDCL, they already terminated the contract agreement with the ARSS.
Tumiki arsa ti hukum sa to ka